Did you note that you can grow your vegetables in a sacks and containers and you get a good result? That is what I want to teach you today. And I have been teaching you online, but this is one way of showing you through the video what you are supposed to do so that to achieve the good result that you are seeing in my pictures. My name is Orina Dominic. Welcome once again to my sacks and containers garden. So today I want to show you how to prepare soil preparation. The first thing that you are supposed to know is that having a good soil or preparing your good soil well, that is the beginning of a good result in your kitchen garden. So the first thing that you're supposed to do is to prepare well your soil before planting. And how are you supposed to prepare this soil? There are some things that you are supposed to have. One, good soil. You must know how to choose a good soil. We have different types of soils. We have the red soil, we have the loam soil, we have the black cotton soil, also known as the clay soil. The best soil for farming is a loam soil. Also, you can use the red soil, but you must prepare it well. Red soil is not very fertile because it is low in humus and nutrients. To prepare your red soil for gardening, you need the following. One, you need the red soil itself, chicken manure or farmyard manure, that is cattle manure, maybe the manure of the sheep, the goat, or the cow. But on my side, the best manure is the chicken manure. You also need sand to improve drainage and help to aerate the soil for a good root development of your vegetables. These are the steps of preparing red soil for sacks and containers gardening. One, measure the sand, manure, and red soil at a ratio of 1 to 2, that is 1 spade of sand, 2 spades of red soil, and 2 spades of manure. Then after that, mix well the three using your hands or a spade. By doing so, now your soil is ready for planting your vegetables. Remember, this is the red soil we have prepared. Now let us go to loam soil. Loam soil has a fairly mixture of sand, silt, and clay. It consists of additional organic matter and is very fertile compared to other types of soils. These are the characteristics of loam soil. It is brown or dark brown in color. It has good water retention and filtration capacity. It does not compact. It has the necessary nutrients for crops. It also does not get waterlogged. That means is a well-drained soil. The characteristics I have mentioned above can enable you easily identify the loam soil for your kitchen garden. And I know even before I finish here, you have known the place very well where you are going to get it from. Loamy soil is the best soil for most garden plants. That is all kinds of vegetables like spinach, cabbage, collards, that is sukuma wiki in Kiswahili, capsicum, lettuce, Chinese cabbage, cucumber, spring onions, eggplant, tomatoes, coriander, and many more. You can also plant herbs and fruits. Loam soil is good for planting vegetables. This is because it holds plenty of moisture but also drains well so that sufficient air can reach the roots of your vegetables. This makes your vegetables to do very well and get your good result that you wanted. There is one challenge facing many people out there, and they always ask me how to avoid it. And this problem is compacting of the soil in sacks and containers. So, this is one thing that you are supposed to do. Choose very well the soil that you are supposed to use in your sacks and the containers. For example, if you use clay soil, then know that is going to be compacted in the container or the sack. And this leads to the drying up of your vegetables. To avoid compacted soil, use the well prepared red soil and also use loam soil. Remember, loam soil is the best soil that you can use in your sacks and the containers. Almost all vegetables grow well in loam soil. This is the soil I always use in my sacks and containers garden. And I think now I have given you the secret. The advantage of using loam soil is that it is already fertile, so it does not need much manure before planting. So it needs less manure. Now you can use at a ratio of 1 to 2. That is 1 spade of manure and 2 spades of loam soil, or 1 wheelbarrow of manure and 2 wheelbarrows of loam soil. After finishing preparing your soil, the next thing is to prepare your sack or a container for planting. So, my good people, I know that today you have learned a lot. You have realized the mistakes that you were making. So, from today, I know you are going to achieve to get a good result. Ask your questions under the comment section. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell, and I'm going to reach you. The next episode will be sack preparation. How to prepare your sack for planting. Thank you and be blessed.